feed the kids.
Y'all three go.
Yeah. Alright, so everyone, we're at Busch Gardens. We're at Gora Cafe getting some food. Arm wrestle, arm wrestle. Get up. Wait, elbow's not straight, it's not straight. It has to be straight. It has to be closer. It has to be straight. Not straight. No, that's not straight. Alright, that's here, let's do my weekend. My weekend. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, you got this. See, that's my weekend. That's cheating. Here, we're strong can against my weekend. By the way, this is my strong can. I was joking. My weekend, right here. Come on. If you keep it, let's keep turning off. 3, 2, 1, go. Why are you so weak? Ow. You twist my arm. Hi. I'm not joking. Today we're at SeaWorld. No, we're at Busch Gardens, not SeaWorld. I didn't remember. So, guys, the dinner, we gotta get the dinner. It's gotta be good. I'm getting chicken. I'm getting Coca-Cola. It's really good, okay? So next week. Today we're at what? Busch Gardens. Yeah, we're at Busch Gardens. I don't know if you can hear us. People talking. No. Camera right. Here we go. Want to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot? Yeah. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Hold up. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Out. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win.
Go ahead.
You don't feel it. You don't feel it.
Hi, my handsome boy. I love you.
Keep biting on the strap.
Yeah.
It's a very simple dance to do. Very good. We cooperated. We worked together. So simple. Wait, I forgot to tell you. There is another little part to do. Talk with me.
I'm taking a good
Clap with me. Eat cookie. Yum, yum, yum. This is a very simple dance to do. Why eat cookie?
Let me stop.
They're waiting.
Oh.
Sure you want to?
More people are going up.
Yeah.
Look at them.
Oh. Oh.
old man was talking trash. We targeted him.
Yeah.
All of us.
Oh, okay. These are American alligators.
American alligators. These are only in America.
Well, no, this whole thing is America. They're only down here at this southeastern part of America.
American alligators are the largest reptile in North America, growing up to 15 feet long and weighing over 1,000 pounds. They have between 74 and 80 teeth in their jaw. As their teeth wear down or fall out, they're new ones. The alligator can grow over 2,000 teeth in its lifetime.
Wow.
What's up? Why don't you stay, huh? Wanna fight? Wanna fight? Yeah, run away. Run away. Wanna go? Wanna go? Yeah, you wanna fight?
Okay, you yelling at that kangaroo, she gonna be like, she gonna sense aggression and she gonna get serious.
Wanna fight? Fight!
Troy, why you yelling?
I never hear it. Don't listen to him. Wanna fight?
I want one of them things to knock you out so bad. And I'm recording. I want to see it. Oh my God. I almost paid money to see it. Oh. Troy, really? The guy's looking at you. Like, oh yeah? You want some of this?
I said, do not listen to him.
Look at it. It's looking at you. So you see that?
Oh, someone looking at me.
Look. She looking at you too. For real. Like, really? Like, really? You gonna keep this up? You gonna keep with this foolishness? Really?
That big gonna jump over that fence and
Okay.
come after me.
She's like, don't play with me. I got a whole degree in kick human ass. Stop playing with me.
No.
All right, y'all, let's go.
No, hold up.
Come on, let's go. Come.
Bubble gutty.
Yeah.
Teeny fat. Wait, what's digging? What's digging?
Oh, you about to
You trying to touch you?
mind your business.
You can touch them? It has sharp claws.
It looks like a big rat.
No, it has sharp claws. It has sharp claws.
Its ears messed
It
up.
has sharp claws.
Damn, somebody messed my boy up. Dang.
It has sharp claws.
Does he?
Yeah. Are you okay with that ear?
Somebody messed my boy up.
Are you okay with that ear?
Dang.
You okay?
They tried to attack my boy. Look at him. But he a G though. You a G, right?
Hey.